have to distance. You have to distance. Now, listen to me, please. Listen to me. Listen to me. Now listen to me.
Wow, as you can see, this is another attack again by the Fulani herdsmen. Nnamdi Kanu told Nigeria that if Nigeria did not end, that it will end everyone. As you can see, Akure, the capital of Ondo State, was gripped by tension today as farmers took to the street to protest the alleged killing of 5 individuals by suspected herdsmen in the Aba Onyibo community located in Akure North local government area of the state. According to the report, the assassins had invaded the community in the early hours of Wednesday, opening fire on their victims. This latest incident comes barely 2 weeks after government reportedly killed at least 14 people in 4 neighboring communities, Ademeku, Abapa, Saba Sunday, and Alijedo, all within the same local government area. The protest saw a large crowd of angry farmers marching to the governor's office, chanting solidarity songs and demanding the immediate action from the Governor Lucky Aiyedatiwa to address the relentless attack on the farmers. This thing has been happening in Nigeria, and a lot of people don't used to pay attention to what is happening now. Is this not enough to declare the state of emergency in Ondo State? Rather, Tinubu went and declared a state of emergency in Port Harcourt yesterday. This is the reason why I have always told you people that Nigeria can never work. There is nothing any human being on earth can do to make Nigeria work. Anyway, take a listen to the protesters.
As at last week, I had to remove the vehicle of the DC operation and took it to Iluabu. He is a living witness. We've had meetings with hunters. We've had meetings with people from Igbo land. I withdrew his vehicle so that we can have mobile men at Iluabu. If I open my phone now, you will see how they've been going around the bush, trying to see how we can apprehend these people who have been fighting you farmers. What has happened is a very, very unfortunate incident. And it is not by doing what we are doing now that results will come. What I expect us to do is for you people to nominate stakeholders. It may even be Okada person, it may be youth, it may be this, it may be that. And then you go to my office, you meet with me, we have meeting, we sit down and then we plan. That is how this thing is supposed to be addressed. So please, let me tell you one thing. Coming here is not going to resolve this matter. But going to my office, having a meeting with me, sitting down and planning and giving me information, me sharing my numbers with you, where there can be exchange of information. Let me talk, please. Is the solution to this problem.
Let me ask you, do you think that African leaders do not understand the severity of the crisis, or they just don't care?
They don't care. Most of them don't care. They understand. These are some of the people in leadership in Africa are people who know. When you hear them articulate the positions during campaign, when you see their party manifestos, they promise you heaven on earth. But immediately they get into office, I don't know which devil occupies the minds of these individuals. They begin to do exactly the opposite, and exactly the opposite of what is desired. And I want to say that African politicians, the bulk of them, are interested in grand projects which are full of drama without affecting the lives of people in a sustainable way. And until the day that the African politician realizes that they hold positions of trust which give them the honor and privilege of using public finances to improve the quality of people's lives. What we'll be seeing is that from election to election, we see drama. And when we are seeking public office, we see drama. But people's lives don't change. And permit me a comparison. Look at what countries which were at war very recently have achieved in the last 30 years. Look at Vietnam. Look at Malaysia, which was not at war but has achieved much. Look at Singapore. Look at the Scandinavian countries. Look at Indonesia. Look at Dubai, which has now become the mecca for many African politicians and civil servants. What was there? Clarity of vision, clarity of policy, and the desire to fulfill in order to improve the quality of people's.
Now, so later on, the Fulani wa petition again. When you balopa, again. Petition one be wala Abuja. Okay, that's one see now. What pokuri koni? Inspector David. Inspector David. Last week, last week, sir. Sunday camp. That out of reject, yes. Sunday camp.
No, continue with your talk.
Sir,
now let me
Call of Oruke, O Shebeben by you. Adeleye, Kratzo, Tadebe, I don't my company Sakios. What is Sade? By a coletele, Bamba, last week, what on your mason, I mean, who I know, what by you, who I Johnson. Kotoshi Wanipe, a Basan Kawasori, I tap my labash in your joy on other easy wow. As I'm here, tap my labash in your joy on other easy wow. One at time is a kitchen, I let go more.
Sherry, now, there are plans, serious plans. As at this time last week, in the government, not everything I intend to do, I might bring out to your notice. Even this Sunday camp, sorry, we need to understand that nobody be Okada, one data, one drop in there. We might take another 3 hours or 4 hours.
Yes, for
multiply. But all these things, there are plans on ground on what needs to be done. And the truth of it all is that we are working. It's just some few delays, if not about the the execution of those plans. is that I'm in the dark. Most of the things that are affecting you, but if you just come to my office and come and share it with me, how will we be able to fine-tune our plan? So it's not about demonstration. You can sit down here, but the truth of it is that if me and you do not sit down in my office and strategize and plan, at the end of it, the same thing will still continue to happen. That's the reason why I'm pleading. Because if you call like Mama discuss security plan, come over to my office, at least 10 of you or 14 of you will all sit down and then brainstorm. You tell me, because you live there. Yes. You live with them. Yes. You know some of them. I don't live them, I don't know them. Information and then we'll be able to arrest this guy. So please, I have something doing by 12, but I can forfeit anything I'm doing now, so that you just pick your stakeholders and we'll carry you to my office. The meeting we hold in my office. You should know the extent to which I've gone. Who among you now will say, except those who have not attended the meeting I've had in recent time, I share my own personal number with people so that you'll be able to communicate to me. So what we want done now is that tell office, and then we go and have a meeting, please.
Go now to go and enforce them for immediate effect.
We go and so go and
another officer of the state government around. So we are going to have a look at who is around. Who is speaking? Ejosa, Crest FM, Ejosa, Crest FM, Ejosa, Crest FM, Ejosa, Crest FM. Crest FM, please. Please, Crest FM, please. Let me just go close.
Go close to where?
To video.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Crest, yes. Crest FM.
Stop!
It will seem that the deputy governor is right here. Crest FM. Deputy governor is here.
Please don't move forward. It's okay, officer.
I do.